Hi guys, so for this week's design I've started with black as my base, and I'm then going to use one of these stencils, and as you can see apply it quite near the bottom of my nail and then paint the tip in silver. Next I'm going to be using one of these silver stickers, and as you can see applying it down near the cuticle. Lastly we're going to use a black striper. So first, just to give me a mark to work towards, just using black and a dotting tool, I'm just putting this centre point so I know where to aim for with my striper.